Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products. If you're into arts and crafts, making pillows, stuffed animals, anything like that, and you have a lot of filler to put in, I always count on Poly-Fil because this is the 50-ounce bag. Look how big this is. But if you're like me and do a lot of arts and crafts, it doesn't take long to go through this bag. And the neat thing about it is it has its own little stuffer. So that's nice. It's just a little stick that comes with it, and it's easy to stuff the stuffing down into whatever you're stuffing. Yeah, I love this stuff. I have been very well pleased with my pillows and gnomes. I do dolls, all kinds of things. So I would highly recommend the Poly-Fil for your arts and crafts. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.